Hi guys, I just received my Boxycharm for August 2022. Um, I received this monthly. I pay for this monthly. I will list the price in the description box and the list of the products. I have taken the items out of the box and I'm going to show you what I received now. The card that came in there, it says Boxycharm, Dusk Till Dawn. And in the back, it lists the products that I received and the price of them. And again, this is what it looks like. The first item that I received is Natasha Denona. And this is an eyeshadow palette. And let's just tell you what it says here. It says a Cupid. Eyeshadow palette. And it is with 3 velvety mattes and 2 dazzling metallics. Versatile 5-pane palette is all you need to create a range of romantic looks and flirty to fierce. And it says it features rich coppery browns, bright champagne pinks, and luscious burgundies, corals. All 5 shades are velvety, dehydrating, and effortlessly to layer. And the price of this is $48. And this is what it looks like. And let me just open it. And this is what it looks like. And I'll just put a little right here. Just to show you. This is what it looks like on me. And let's try this one. Oh, I like that one. And it's very soft, smooth. So this is what this looks like. Then the next item is Aesthetica. And I'm just going to show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. And this is a Starlite highlighter. And it says it creates a multi-dimensional radiant glow. This velvety, soft, lightweight, illuminating formula delivers stunning, buildable highlights that can be worn day and night. So yeah. And it says it complements all skin tones. And the price of this is $25. I'm not going to try it on because I might be giving this to somebody. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And like I said, the price of this is $25. The next item is, it says here, Glow recipe. And it's an avocado melt. And it says Retinol Eye Cream. So this is for the eyes. And the price of this is $42. And it says it sparkles in your eyes with a gentle but powerful eye cream formulated with avocado and retinol, coffee berries, etc. And then it says long-lasting, active release to help moisturize, brighten, fight lines, and depuffs. So this is what this looks like, and I'll show you what it looks like inside. This is what it looks like inside. And again, this is what it looks like, and it says here that it is $42. The next item that I received here is Paul Badgie. I think that's what it's called, I'm sorry, but it says Basic Beauty on here, and it says that this is a gel lip liner dual, and it says these gel lip liners are creamy, long-lasting and hydrating. They smoothly glide onto lips and blend with little to no effort. And the price of this is $24, and it's two that come in there. Let me just show you what they look like. The first one is Latte. And this is a lip liner. Then the other one is Cocoa. And this is what this one looks like. And yeah, this is how they look. And like I said, they said they're $24. Then the next item, the last item here, it says Qveen Studio. And it says bow down, and it says brow gel. This is a brow gel, commands your brows. This is easy to use, non-sticky, flake resistant, super long lasting, transparent formula. Stays in place for 16 hours. And has a natural finish that works on any brow color. And it says shapes your eyebrows for perfection. And this is $16. So let me just show you what it looks like inside. And this is what it looks like. Focus. And again, this is it. And this is 16. Again, this is $16. And these are all the items that I received from my Boxycharm. Please give this video a thumbs up or subscribe. I really would appreciate it. And I just want to thank you again for watching. Goodbye. Peace out.